Good afternoon. This is E Mini Wizard. It is after hours on the 2nd of February, and just a quick wrap up after market things we were looking at today. Brief video to showcase some of the tools and tactics that we use in our trading. One of the things we had still been looking at today was morning after trend day. And one of the things that we wanted to take a look at was how would we perform today with morning after trend day? Could we take out the prior low from Friday? And if so, where would next support come in? We are fairly conservative, hoping to break down that 86 and a quarter low and then be very careful about not getting caught on any new lows. So first things first, on any new low, you'd look to get paid. And if we get a sharp bounce, you can't think you're out of the woods, because a strong swing like this normally will come back and have some profits taking. And this is where we thought shorts needed to be very careful in the afternoon. We weren't sure we'd get the breakout late day, but we like the idea of a mirror day. A mirror day is simply taking the prior day's range, and if it ended on a solid short, today should end on a solid long based on the law of alternation. We can see that just how important this low range in 70 and a quarter was today. We thought the buy zone 70 to 75, and if you got beat on that, so be it. If we move over to the angels and demons, first idea this morning, of course, was try to get to the half gap and gap trade, and then on any new lows, be very careful coming into 75. We suggested done by 78, 77 area, good fortune below, and thought the buy zone would start to kick back in. When we got a solid trade long side, we were looking at a double here at that 05 to 02 range, wanted that to hold, and then got the breakdown for a solid 20 pointer. We thought this was a double and advised traders to make sure they're done into the big 85 to 82. We thought it would hold. And then the pushback, we were asked by a new trader that was in the room today, what do you think about short? I said maybe we should be asking where should we be buying, because it looks to me like we'll have a third time through trade if we take out 97, which was the pivot point. Once we held these lows at the day's open range, 91 and a quarter, 90 area, then it became an idea to target a third time through trade, taking out 97, confirming on the break at the RTH high, and then any high was available coming into the close. So naturally the targets became the 12 and a half. This circle was our primary target. Take out the 5s to 10 zone. Above this, anything could go, and obviously the most important thing, try to tackle that 17 to 18 and a half. If you go over and look at the RTH charts, you'll see the patterns that we were looking at. Rain line, a perfect sell coming into lunch, and then when it dug in and held, this is our third time through trade. 1, 2, third time through, and then squeeze. So this trade we really liked in the afternoon, not to necessarily take out that 20, but to push and run stops. And from this 04 area, normal target for us is going to be up to that 15 zone, 14 to 15, and then anything above that is juice. Look at your tick balance. Beautiful balance here. Plus 1100s, and down here the thousands, minus the thousands. If you looked at the swing charts, you will notice there's a trend line that we put on from this 61.5 low to this 70 and a quarter, 70 and a half to today's low. And around 75, when the market was tanking, we looked at this. I drew a line and I said, let's pay attention to this line. Good fortune that it followed that, and you can see how this box clearly became the primary box for today. So that's it for now. I hope this helps you get a little understanding of the things we were looking at. Hope you had a great day. Catch you on the next one.